Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best plastic welder that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Master Appliance ProHeat Series Plastic Welding Kit. For small jobs, like repairing a vacuum cleaner handle or a kid's toys, the Master Appliance ProHeat Series welder satisfied several customers. This plastic welding kit includes a compact heat gun with an LCD display and a magnetic kit to adjust and lock in airflow and temperature control between 130 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Other features of this top plastic welding kit include a handy dial-in control and key lock in to aid temperature range and draw in the desired airflow. It is also useful for hot air thermoplastics such as rigid and flexible plastics, auto bumpers, tarps, liners, covers, tents, and inflatables. One happy customer wrote, "This worked better than we had hoped for repairing a playground slide that had split on the back. It was cost-effective as the slide was expensive." Another customer was pleased with their small repair, and wrote, "I had a good vacuum cleaner that the handle broke. I repaired it, as good as new. Stronger than the original handle and saved buying a new one." Moving on at number 4, we have the Go-To Home 1600W Plastic Welder. This hot air gun from Go-To Home was praised by customers for its accurate temperature range and ability to reach desired temperatures and complete jobs with ease. It's a high-power plastic welding kit that reaches up to 1292 degrees Fahrenheit and has a handy heat tube protection feature and electronic heating system for using the plastic welder safely. Although you must always wear proper clothing, protective gloves, and goggles when welding. Suitable for multiple small plastic welding jobs, the Go-To Home hot air gun can be used on water tanks, heat exchangers, and plumbing fittings. The welding kit includes a roller, 4 welding nozzles, plastic rods, and a spare heating core. The welding gun design incorporates a universal dimension air duct, making it a versatile welding tool. Another similar tool to consider is the Beyond Life plastic hot air welder, which uses PE and PVC plastic rods. At number 3, we have the OIMERRY plastic welding kit. Multiple customers were impressed with the OIMERRY plastic welding kit for having the ability to complete a variety of welding tasks, and, in particular, this tool was praised for how well it can fix cracked plastic. This 30-watt hot stapler plastic welder gun has 5 adjustable heat levels and an LED indicator. This tool's welding process includes the use of staples that are heated along with the plastic, ensuring that the plastic is still flexible. Having acquired CE and FCC safety certificates, this plastic welder kit comes with 1 hot stapler, 1 cutter, 1 triangle electrode, 1 power line, and a pack of 800 staples. One happy customer who used this to repair a plastic engine guard that was cracked around the bolt holes wrote, "It worked well. I can't wait to use it again." Another reviewer wrote, "I used this stapler welder to fix some ATV plastics and a cracked cowl cover on my truck. The welder worked great. After applying staples, I used the welder to fill the crack and sanded it afterward. Easy to use and the temp control was precise." At number 2, we have the Iglobalbuy Professional 1600W Plastic Hot Air Welder. Both professional DIYers and those just getting started with welding were impressed with the performance and price point of this Iglobalbuy plastic welding hot air welder and its ability to reach up to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit as well as its 1600 watts of power. If you're looking for a mid-range plastic welding tool that packs plenty of power, this is ideal. For those in construction, the hot air welder can be used on plate, pipeline, film made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PE, polyethylene, PP, polypropylene, PVDF, polyvinylidene fluoride, and other plastics. It comes with a built-in fan and has a handle diameter of 2.24 inches, making it easier to carry and suitable for professional use. In addition, the heat-resistant body of the welding gun makes a handy safety feature to help avoid scalds, and the nozzles are made from heat and corrosion-resistant stainless steel. And finally at number 1, we have the ATOLS Plastic Welding Car Bumpers Repair Kit. For a cheap plastic welder that uses hot staples to repair plastics, the ATOLS Plastic Welding Car Bumpers Repair Kit worked great for many customers. Reviewers were happy with the strength and durability of this heat gun. For users particularly concerned about safety, this model comes with overheating protection and light on the front for clearer welding visibility. There are 4 staple designs included in this kit. Each helps to create different welds depending on what's needed for the job. What's more, the staples are made from stainless steel so they won't rust over time. This heat gun has an ergonomic handle that offers a comfortable grip and helps to reduce user fatigue. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.